New tonight, another chapter in the case of an Omaha spree killer. Good evening, I'm Brian Mastery. Thanks for joining us on this Labor Day. First Alert 6 Investigates has learned a hearing is scheduled for next month to determine whether Nikko Jenkins can't be put to death because of his brain. In March, Nikko Jenkins wrote a handwritten letter to the courts begging for the appeals to stop. He asked the system to finally put him to death for his 4 murders in 2013.
I'll make a decision on that.
A month later, as he appeared on video in this Douglas County District courtroom from death row in Tecumseh, he changed his mind.
Withdrawal, is that correct?
Judge Peter Battalion declined to order a mental evaluation based on what was before him. Now this. Days ago, Jenkins' attorneys filed a motion for experts to examine their client to determine if his intellectual capacity makes him ineligible for the death penalty because of the 8th Amendment prohibiting cruel and unusual punishment. Years ago, a forensic psychologist concluded Jenkins was faking aspects of mental illness. Douglas County Attorney Don Klein has echoed that repeatedly and again at the last hearing.
He has mental health issues. The question was he so mentally ill that he didn't understand what was going on, which we don't think he is. And the other one part was, did he know and understand what he was doing at the time he did it, which we believe he did.
Over the years, the victims' families have called Jenkins an attention seeker and pure evil. His legal team now says Jenkins' mental state is getting worse, that he hasn't had an IQ test in a decade, and they need funding for a brain psychologist because they believe he's intellectually disabled now and exempt from the death penalty. The judge will hear arguments from both sides on whether Jenkins needs more evaluation in October.